I know what we're needing.
Wait, we need the. We can put your dice.
It's
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here's all. There's all the sides.
Yeah.
We have sides.
I got one back.
So 2 bottoms at one time, right?
Wait,
Here are 3.
wait, we're supposed to be going to the backs.
Okay, how many?
Trick me.
We have the.
Yeah, you're supposed to be going to the backs.
These
Where's the backs to the bottoms? I don't even.
The backs. So there's
That's
the
the
back.
wrong
So
one.
those
Four there,
those.
You popsicle sticks.
And do we have all the bottoms and all the tops and the sides?
So we got 2 bottoms.
Yeah, 2 bottoms. Or you
You're
got
not
all
allowed
the
to like
bottoms
prepare
over
the
here already.
sticks.
Yep, you can
Tom's with one too.
work on whatever you need to get ready for.
And where are Alex? Are these tops?
Yeah, those are bottoms. Or tops, they're 1 or 2.
They're the bottoms. They have the whole way.
There's.
Yeah, the bottoms have the hole.
These are boxes 11 through 14, right? Okay, I guess. We'll just swing it.
Yep, we're working 11 through 14.
Hey.
I've got one back there. I've got a little more blue. You go, Ryan. It's for you.
Oh, thank you.
When you're recording the data, make sure you know
I don't have rulers.
what numbers go to which box. So you might want to maybe make a table or
Yeah, right.
something. Oh, you're ahead of things. Awesome.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you.
Wait, Ryan, can you bring me those tops over there? If they're tops.
Tops.
Those big ones, the holes.
These.
Yeah, those are tops, right?
Those are the
Bottoms.
three ones.
The ones with the holes are bottoms.
Well, they're not gluing them, so might as well bring them over here. That's a back.
Okay. Well,
Got a
he's gonna
side.
be going. He's gonna be going.
One side. Okay, Jackson, do you have a side ready?
Yeah.
Pass it down.
This was not enough glue. Maybe it was. How many sides can I make?
Two sides.
How many sides per box?
2 sides.
How many?
What are you thinking, Alex?
I'm thinking how many sides per
I
box.
think it might need to be that.
Hey, Ryan, press me out.
Hey Ryan, so can you go ahead and
Also
get
press
some
the
more
bottom
glue?
again. Press all the bottom corners.
I don't know what that word you just said. That one? Dang.
Corners and bottom. So like,
You don't have it in the list.
Oh, well, that's, I don't know where I got glue
Well, I don't know.
but that works.
Everybody put this.
Got another
man.
side. You might need some more.
alright, this is a bottom. This is a side.
You got a side?
This is the back, right?
This is a side, okay.
This is back.
This is a side.
Ryan, glue us.
This is back and
That
bottom.
was quick.
There's glue right there.
What? Becky's, that looks like Becky's. It's the same side.
How many more pieces do we need?
They go on outside.
Side pieces? That's a big question.
Something.
We have all the side pieces over that we need and no extra, so.
Well, I'm doing one more.
This is not gonna help well.
Okay, Ryan, press me out. Or Tom can.
Dom, do it. Wait, how, is that our second box?
Yeah, this is our second
Okay,
box.
so we still need, yeah, these two.
Hey, Ryan, I got a box done.
Great.
Great. Okay, side, and I need a bottom.
Jackson, almost done.
You need a bottom. That's it.
No, he's not.
Actually, I need a bottom piece.
That's a. Those are backs, right?
That's a back. Or I actually need a back. This is top pieces, so we don't glue these. And also, okay, I'm just gonna steal these because you shouldn't be gluing them.
Yeah.
I'm so confused. We have 2 more sides that we need to do? What?
Okay, do I have a bottom piece, please?
A back side?
How many boxes do we have?
You wish for.
We have 2 boxes, so we need 2 more.
This is not the easiest thing to do with
She run down to the art department and like steal a brush.
I don't think we have the time.
Bet. You can run.
Jackson's a sprinter.
Can I go code after?
It's not fast in life.
Guys, the one wasn't set. I need to square this one again.
Square this again.
Yeah, it fell. It
Oh.
fell. Yeah. Well, more so got pushed.
That's your fault.
Okay.
I feel like there's not enough glue on this, but I don't really have much more.
It's okay.
Oh, thank you.
here. Just hold a little more.
Okay.
This
I was gonna say, you guys are making really good time.
What is that time?
5 minutes.
That's fair enough.
Alright.
You see, this is what happened. Oh my gosh, you guys are overloading me on sides. Give me more bottoms.
There's a bag!
I got.
Or a bag. Oh, now I got too many bags.
Alright. Last
Oh, black. I'm doing it.
Can you hold it in the middle somehow? How do you want that to do this?
You done?
Yeah, I think we're done.
I don't know how to get more glue now. Tom.
Okay, Tom, you're gonna square me out. So
Oh, that didn't work. Teamwork.
press the bottom corners down. Every corner. So get in those corners. Get. Okay. Okay, Patty.
What?
What?
Not awkward. There, you got that.
Oh, that's. Well, that's the stuff that. Man, I feel like the sides are just like a tad too tall. Like just a tidbit. Alright, Ryan, I got another box for you. I'll set it on the side so it doesn't look glued.
Something awesome.
Alright, I feel like that was not more productive, but
I think it would work.
It'll work.
what
are you doing?
Just wanna make sure the tablecloth doesn't get stuck in.
Do we help? Here, take it. Go team! Let's go, boys! Wait, why is it like
So-
that?
Oh wait, Tom, this is why I do this, not you.
Sorry.
Gotcha. Oh, that. Yeah, do it.
I got it on the last box.
Yeah.
Yes. 7 minutes in.
You're almost gonna be under 2 minutes a box if you can.
Wait, did we push the bottom
That's
now?
not
That's
That's not good.
That's a little broke.
Quality control person. I feel like I can't let that slide.
This is quality.
This can be Ryan's box.
No, what are you talking about? Hey, he's got good personality.
It's got a good character.
That's good. We just need to make sure that it stays good. Maybe we, you know.
That's good.
Oh.
Is that what squared you? Oh, let me check the side squareness.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Oh yeah, that's squared. I love how they call triangles squares.
It's got blue hairs.
I don't remember calling it triangle square.
These are called squares.
Let's go run.
It is approximately 13 grams.
It's approximately 290.2 grams.
That would not be correct.
Put the sticker on the bottom.
Sorry, this is the bottom.
The one that. Yeah, that's.
That,
Is the
Yes, this is the bottom.
that's the bat.
No, it's
Oh.
the bottom.